Hello guys, today we will explain as the uh, sample or filter recipe. So I have selected as by default first order dataset and select with the sample or filter dataset. So here the right hand side. So if you look into the sample or filter dataset, so just click on it. So it will open the input output dataset. Input dataset is same. Output dataset one name it will ask. By default it will taken as filtered and click on create recipe. So here if you look into this, so filter on sampling. So first let's check with the filter. So here filter condition is by default off and we have to switch on to on. So click on switch on. So here first option called as keep only rows that satisfy. So the following conditions. So conditions are this one. If the condition is to be true, then this condition will be shown. So options. So the following conditions, or else if you give the formula, so formula it will consider, or else if you give with the SQL expression also. First we'll see the following conditions. For example, in following conditions, so I'm seeing with order date, or else for example, if I look into t-shirt category, so just look into the data, what data is there. I'm duplicating the tab. Why I'm duplicating the tab called as, just look into the data first, orders data, what data is there and what are the data we want to filter it. So open the data set. So in this, I am filtering the data called as t-shirt category. So if I want to, for example, I want to hoodie data. So just right click and copy to clipboard. Sorry, right click. Okay, select this one and copy to clipboard. So come back to here, t-shirt category equals hoodie. Okay, and run the data. And if any other condition also, just add the condition here. If you want any order date, etc. Also, I will remove this one. This is the one way. So here what I have done, t-shirt category equals hoodie. The same thing we can apply with the formula also. See this one, order date, something like that. And SQL expression also. So following condition is hoodie and sampling. So in sampling method, so this condition can I apply with whole data or sample data? Sampling method is showing right now by default no sampling and whole data. If you select with these options, just look into the options. First records. What are the only read n number of rows for the first records? Random approximate ratio, random approximate NB records, column values subset, column class rebalance, first record sorted by a column like this. And if you select with by default sampling, no sampling, whole data and click on run. Now this data is to be filter data is to be stored as in this orders data set, orders one filtered. So running the recipe, job succeeded. Go back to flow and check the data. Here, this is the filter symbol. So after open the data, hoodie data only this in this one stored. You'll see. So t-shirt category only hoodie. If you click on t-shirt category analyze, what data is there? Hoodie only. So how many number of rows? Count 6,229 count. Same thing here, you can check with the whole data 6,229 rows. Okay. So this is the way we can filter the data. So the same thing we can apply with pre-filter and post-filter also. For example, if you want this t-shirt category is only hoodie here. I want the price range. So just t-shirt price and filter option also here available. Just select the filter. Here the price range is showing 18 to 23. You select with the price range. For example, I want 20 to 23. So click OK. So you check with the price 22, 23. How many number of rows? 6,229 rows. Analyze the data. So 22, 23. So 20, so this one 23 is showing 6,209. Okay. And if I select this 22, 23, I want list. So list is available. You select with the list also. I want only 20. Only 20 is showing. Click on analyze. So only 20 is okay. Remove the filter. So this way you can choose with the filter recipe. Thank you for watching.